So remember we say at the beginning of the puzzle packet that everything can be a clue to a puzzle's answer. It can be written in the puzzle itself, there can be hints, there can be random quotes, but it can also just be something as simple as the title to a puzzle. And in puzzle number 3 called Look Up, that might have actually been pretty helpful because all you have is this huge list of names and places and then 3 squares that you're going to do something with. And in the actual puzzle, some of them are colored. I've left them out here. We'll get back to the colors in just a second. But I'm looking through this list and nothing really jumps out at me, except for one of these names actually does jump out at me. And that's probably because of where I happen to live. So this name here, Edward Lawrence Logan, that actually does mean something to me because when I'm filming this right now, I'm located in Cambridge, Mass, which is just across the river from Boston, Mass. And the airport there is Boston's Logan Airport, which is named after Edward Lawrence Logan. And the airport code for that airport is BOS. So actually what this set of names are, these are all airports that are named after people. And so what we're trying to do is just figure out those 3-letter codes. And fortunately, again, Google or the internet makes this pretty easy. You don't have to know all of the airports around the world. You can just pop it into Google, and you'll find out that all of these codes can be pretty easily found, the 3-letter IATA codes. Now again, I mentioned that some of these boxes were colored. So for example, these 4 boxes were colored red. And if you look really closely, you can see that if you follow them from top to bottom and spell it out, you see the word mate there. And if we look at all the blue ones, we see the word sums. So there were 7 different colors and 7 different words that were spelled out through these airport codes: mate, sums, book, marks, point, ups, and out. Now obviously, as you know, the solution to these puzzles is just a single word or name. It's not 7. So is there something that all of these words have in common? Well, in fact, there is. These are all words that can follow the word check. You have checkmates, checksums, checkups, checkpoint. And so check was the answer to puzzle number 3.